The 1994 Dodge Viper. The Dodge Viper was first made available to the public in 1992 after teasing interested buyers for several years. Prior to 1994, air conditioning was not available as a factory option for the powerful and gracefully audacious Dodge Viper. Although the 1994 Viper came with factory air conditioning, the addition of this comfort feature didn't detract from the vehicle's power or acceleration. Production for the 1994 Viper only totaled 3,083, nearly tripling the production run from 1993. The jump in production was proof of the car's gaining popularity. The 1994 Dodge Viper seen here is an RT10 Roadster that combines good looks with raw muscle. It is powered by its original Viper V10 400 horsepower engine with an original Borg-Warner T56 6-speed manual transmission. The 1994 Dodge Viper.